everybody, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this tutorial and a slide and see how it's look like. You can create it for any picture you want. You see it has a unique effect and I like it. Let's try to create this. At first you need to have the picture. For having the picture, I just simply save background here and then just simply insert the background from the pictures. This is the background picture. What you see, the problem of the background picture is the sharpness. Because of that, it has no use. We need to have the background in the best place. For that, I simply just reduce it to 0 and this thing also to 0, 0 and reset it. Now I save the background. I insert the background here. Now we have the raw picture here. Okay, this is the raw picture. We just simply going to use this raw picture. How I create the background, we just copy this picture and format the background. In the format the background, we select a picture or texture, we insert it from the clipboard, and then you see the picture is applied to background. We apply it to all. And here, how we format the background? We format the background, go here and set the sharpness to -100 and brightness to -10. You can also use the effect we have here, but I'm going to go with this. After doing that, we need to create these two shapes. How I can create them? At first, I need to insert a shape from here to here. You see these two shapes? They are just simply two triangles. Let's try to create them. After creating them, press Shift and increase it in size and press Ctrl to create a copy of it. You see, it's need to be a little... Okay, it's good. Now I copy that, paste them here, and then simply I rotate it, flip it horizontally. Now I need to copy this picture. You see here, when we run the picture is set from the middle. For that effect, I need to bring it here and bring it here, and then just simply copy the picture and paste it here. Then select two of them and go to shape format and combine them. See, this fragment is here and this fragment is here, but this option didn't give us the thing we need. We go to shape format and intersect. You see, the option has been created, the thing we need. Then another time we copy the picture, paste it here and do the same thing. We just select the picture and this thing, then go to intersect. Then the important thing here is that to create a right shadow for this thing, and here this shadow. After creating that, we just simply need to copy this slide, paste the text here. The text has nothing special. The text, let me explain for you. The text we are using is Overdrive Sunset font that I tell you how to install it and how to download it. It's free. After that, we use this for the style, word art style. Let me just copy that thing. After copying that, we need to bring this thing here and this thing here. This shape here, okay. After doing that, I just simply need to copy this text. They has nothing special. They are just a simple text. After copying that, I need to align them here and here. After aligning them, I just simply copy them and paste them here, bring them out, and set the transition to morph. Now copy it. Your work has been done. Okay, if you like this kind of content and tutorials, please like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the channel. You will find more like this video in my channel. Have a nice time.